Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossipfunda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic com.qualcomm.embms. Let's start with the introduction of the topic. We will be going right to left as this is the format for syntax reading. The first chunk is embms, second chunk is Qualcomm, and the last chunk is com. Let's start with the meaning of these three chunks one by one. First one is, what is Qualcomm? Qualcomm is an American-based multinational corporation which designs semiconductor chips for smartphones, makes software and wireless technology services. It was established in 1985 by Irwin M. Jacobs and 6 other co-founders. In early research, they got into CDMA wireless technology, which is one of the most popular SIM technologies. And your SIM maybe is CDMA. Let's move into the next question. What is EMBMS? EMBMS stands for Evolved Multinational Broadcast Multicast Services. Third chunk is COM. COM is a format used for reading the syntax and not meant for users. EMBMS. It was a live demo test of the network capabilities demonstrating live streaming event video player. EMBMS technology allows multicast delivery of live streaming video along with data. There are several different applications such as real-time game processing of the game on a server. Google Stadia is an example of such technology, and the only thing holding it back is low data transfer speeds across the network. This means that the future holds a lot of exciting 5G implementations. The world record for highest data transfer is 44.2 terabytes per second, which means you can download the entire Netflix database in a second. Now let's move into the last question. What is com.qualcomm.embms? So it is an inbuilt application that handles the network and chip interaction. Also, it is responsible for your network management. This app was not officially released, or you're not able to download it separately. It rolled out with your system, updated and aided in the working of the semiconductor chip. The company to do so was AT&T with system updates and rolled out the app last year. What if you are getting error message? Unfortunately, com.qualcomm.embms has stopped. If you are finding this error, there may be possible the vulnerability currently affects a vast variety of Android users. Almost millions of users face it. This mainly happens when an application is installed in the device and gives access to hackers. Hackers can get access to your device easily, and this has been happening all around the world. So don't be panicked. We have a solution to this problem. So my next question is, how to fix com.qualcomm.embms when it is stopped? So if you find this problem, there are basically 3 steps. First, open Google Play or Play Store and you can install CPU-Z. Second, open the app. After the app opens, it will tell everything you want to know about your processor in a matter of time. And the last one is the upgrading of the system. This is how you can remove or fix the problem. So here we provided you all the solutions which were 100% effective while facing this vulnerability, but it is recommended that it is better to get a new device for privacy and saving your data from hackers. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and to write comments in the comment box. Thank you everyone.